Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're celebrating another massive win on Open. Look at the charts, because yesterday versus today is a masterclass in market prediction. 0.5250 was the bottom, and we called it perfectly. We are showing you the before versus after picture right now. The before chart showed a consolidation and the potential for a reversal at that key support level. The after chart confirms a massive surge, following the exact path we predicted. This is a testament to our accuracy, and this is why you keep this one on your radar. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out!